They're not sitting around waiting for things to change. They're leading the charge.
We're here at Statler City, and we have an opportunity for some of the grandest wedding rooms in Western New York with the Terrace Room and the Golden Ballroom. We're bringing hospitality back to this grand property. That's where it was based. That's where it all started, and now we're bringing it back full circle.
They get things done. They put their own skin into the game and their name on the building.
This is our third year here at C-Bar. We expanded about a year ago and it's been going great. Every year downtown we've seen more and more restaurants open, more and more excitement happening, more and more people living and moving down here.
They're local independent restaurant owners, and their entrepreneurship is what's making our community great again.
And we're here at 7770 Transit Road, the Pod Building, in our new and improved pizza plant.
Yes, behind us you can see the soffit for the new bar that is part of our construction.
You see, they have a grander vision of what our region can become.
It's been great having so much activity on the waterfront, over 300 events, as you know, that the city has brought down here. It's been a lonely, 28 years, 29 years that we've been down here by ourselves. So we're really happy to have folks moving in and refurbishing downtown.
That's what Local Restaurant Week is all about. Celebrating our local independent restaurants who contribute so much more than great food and great service to our Western New York culture.
We'd like to welcome everybody from Western New York to the Buffalo Chop House, Darcy McGee's Irish Pub, and Laughlin's, for Local Restaurant Week, and thank you for your support.
Welcome to C-Bar. It's Local Restaurant Week again.
Please join us at Templeton Landing. We've got a great menu planned 2011.
It's Local Restaurant Week. Please, come and dine out this week. Thank you.